Hi people, hello, hello my people, how are you guys doing? This is Nora doing. This is your girl Nora, aka Big Body Pain. I'm back like I never left, like as I said earlier. Yes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So I'm here to use this little video to address um to just explain to my followers what's going on. I know a lot of people want me to see what's going on or whatever, but let me use this opportunity to say something about what is going on. About the post you see on Teleton Nora, um, is the case of this lady called Claire, um, Claire, aka Nwa Ada, Wada Onyinyechi. Now, guys, good morning. Let me start with this. Um, Sometime last year, someone sent me a friend's request and it's called Ikenna Ejogo. That account is a fake account. He's my friend on Facebook. On my personal Facebook, I have like 5,000 followers. And Claire happens to be one of my friends again on my own personal Facebook because I have a lot of friends requests and I accepted 5,000 followers. I can accept again. And Claire used to follow Ogechi platform and also follow me on Teleton now when I open. In fact, she always follow me anyway. So it happens that there's a post I made. If you guys look down on my page, there's one of my pictures that I wore army green. I think it should be army color romper. That's romper. It's up to it's like a jumpsuit, but it's romper. We call it romper. So now, when I posted that picture, a lot of people like that picture to the point it's almost 2,000 people like the picture. So he came and liked that picture as a friend, and he came and went on his personal page, his personal Facebook. That's Ikenna Ejogo, and put down, I just needed. That's his post. Ikenna's post was, I just needed a sexy ass like that of Nora Duru in my life. Okay, guys. My page then is Nora Duru. That's my personal page. That was there. But the Facebook shut it down and then because of the saga, what happened before. So, he cannot put it there. A kind of admiring me, a kind of, you know, Ikenna was like a kind of secret admirer and a crusher then. So, along the line, when I saw the post, he did it, and I saw it as a friend. When I got the notification, I woke up and I saw it. I was mad. I attacked Ikenna. If you guys go down to my page, see the comment section and you see the post, because I'm trying to clarify the whole post, the whole update I put down on that Teleton now. So when Ikenna did that, I think I responded to Ikenna when I saw the post. Before I responded to Ikenna, Onyinyechi is Ikenna's friend on Facebook. Both of them are friends. They follow each other. This is not anything in connection to hook up. Ikenna and Onyinyechi used to follow each other on Facebook. Now, I and Ikenna is on my friends list. Now, Ikenna put, I just need a sexy ass like that of Nora Duru in my life. Onyinyechi went on this post. Ikenna posted on his wall and write, you will have it. and commented there, you will have it. Then Ikenna responded to Onyinyechi, replied to the comment and said, I dream about handling that act every day. Onyinyechi responded and said, Kudos. Ikenna said, thanks dear. There's nothing like hookup here. My brothers and my sisters, there's nothing like hookup, as London gossip is referring this nonsense as what? Hookup, sharing nude, not sharing nude. No, it's just a normal, different thing off from hookup. Now, I saw the post and I referred to Ikenna and I said, Ikenna, the thunder that will fire you on this your daydreams is no longer doing press off. Ikenna, keep my name off your stinky mouth. When I refer Ikenna like that, when I refer to that post like that, Ikenna responded to me, because that was my comment when I saw that post. Because one, I reacted that way because my name is what Ikenna is using to be talking about, by saying, I just need a sexy act like that of Nora Duri. Had it been, he said, I just need a sexy act like, somebody else, I won't put my mouth there. But because my name is Nora Duri and he is referring to me, that's why I commented, the thunder, the fire, Ikenna. That time, me and Ikenna, we've not been too close. We are just friends on Facebook. He's on my friends list. Now, when I cursed him out like that, Ikenna now come to me on my message and said, Nora Duri. He now said to me, Nora Duri, is it a crime to fall in love with you? I was like, huh? Ikenna, and I replied to Ikenna, say, you have not declared your status. Ikenna said, I'm single and searching, babe. I was like speechless. I was mad. And I went in inbox and called him direct, video call, to know who is this Ikenna and why are you posting my name? Neither you talking about my acts in the public. Is when I find out who was Ikenna. Ikenna told me that he's been following me on Facebook, that he's been dying for me, but he never know how to express it than he now said it, that he's going to say it openly to his wall so that I can be able to see it. That was how the whole story started, guys. Coming to Clara's own, Clara went inside of his inbox. Clara, Ikenna wasn't referring to you in any way. You are following Ikenna. Ikenna is just referring to you too, or whatever. This post is Ikenna's post, and Ikenna is referring to Nora, not you, Claire, or not you, Wanda Onyinyechi, in any way. Ikenna wasn't talking to you. You just jump into a matter that doesn't concern you. After making those your comments when you said you will have it, which means you are supporting him to have my pussy. You are supporting him to have sex, my sexy acts. For you telling somebody you will have it, and the person said, I dream about handling that act every day. And you as a woman, pushing and encouraging him to go and have me. What are you calling me? Did I know you before? Have I ever had any business with you, Wanda Onyinyechi? No. But you're encouraging a man that stand in public and said he wants my act, and you're encouraging him to continue going. Okay, now you turn it around to say that I, Nora, you did what? You set you up? Girl, you arrange what? You jump into a matter that doesn't concern you, girl. That matter did not concern you. The post wasn't for you. It's for Nora. And you come up there, the only comment you will do is to encourage the brother to be dreaming about it, about my act. And he said thank you to you. You now went inside to his inbox, bitch. stop lying to people. Stop confusing yourself. Because that motherfucker don't need you. That Ikenna do not need you. Bitch, Ikenna do not need you. That's why you are ranting. That's why you are crying. That's why you end up giving your phone number. You went inside his inbox. Ikenna never chatted you before. You are the person that chatted Ikenna the first time. Okay, let me go down to your chat. Let me go down to your chat. Since you encourage a man to come and have sex with Nora, to come and have my ass, now the game turn around. And why you know, okay, Wada Onyinyechi, did you remember your chat on 24th November last year? By 6:22 p.m. was the first time you went into this young man's inbox and said, hi. And the man replied to you 6:44 p.m., 24th November, and said, hello. And you said, good evening. The guy responded, said, good PM, dear. And you said, how are you doing? And the guy said, I'm good. And you? And you said, I'm fine. The guy said, great. Then the guy asked you, where is your location, please? And you responded, Anambra. So this chat, does it look like a hookup? No. You went inside after that post to make this man your friend by you saying hello, hi, whatever. Now you possess your body, but your negu where's London. Twist is here, my give my twist here around. And no hook up. We are trying to hook you. I think we hook you. And we are sharing mood. Thunder fire you and your generation. Thunder fire you that you are blind to read. Ikechi, London. Let thunder fire you there. You, Onyinyechi, carry your stupid, dirty axe, ugly axe. Your whatever. Na tozagi, your hot pants pussy. Kiburi jewe. Jekuwe nwoke na inbox. Afa gongoro mbokoro gwa do Onyinyechi. Onya na refer bu Nora. Post ya bu Nora. Nobody called you. Nobody called you. You blew your boat. Jebedia. You are living. Your location is Anambra. The guy is saying Nankiawa Owerri. Yes, you okay. Another day, the guy is saying on 6th of December at 8:44 a.m. The guy is saying good morning, dear. Yes, yeah, good morning, Mr. Ikenna. Yeah, saying how is your night? Yes, yeah, good. Then the same you see, how is your duru lady? Why did you put my name there? That is my concern. If you want the guy, you would have continued the way you guys were chatting. Why did you ask the guy? The guy said, how is your night? Your response was good. And you asked the guy, how is your duru lady? And the same you again asked him again and said, have you met with her finally? Sis, Onyinyechi, kedi ha famji banyege na ono there. How, that's what is the good about the money here? Kedi yabu your business here. Iji how is your duru lady? Have you finally met it? Because auto na kogoko. Ichoro ya. Opo ni choro this young man. Ima gaga burukwe nora banyan iene da juya jojo. You want to tarnish your own image, not me. Ihi jerime. Kega ba asare juru go ono. Iga ruze ya turn around you. Ipotazia na onye hook ruge up. You are the person hooking yourself. And you get hooked and he hooked you the way you like it. He insulted you. Don't worry, ka Facebook mechabia. Ka mechago dey na with Facebook. Then you get that man alive. You have to say onye gini na chat. Onye gini na chat na all be different from you. Fool. Okay, come na go chat gini. Ka ndị mmadụ na awotakwa. The guy say low. chia gochi. They said, have you met with her finally? Yes, no. The guy responded to you, said, we are best of friends now. Yes, yeah. Yes, yeah, good for you guys. The guy said it for real. Yes, yeah, yes. The guy said, yeah, we are good. Yes, yeah, fine. Then the next thing you wrote, you told the guy, you said, make sure you eat her punani as soon as possible. First, Ejubia, how is your duru lady? Second, have you guys met before? Have you guys finally met? But have you met with her finally? The same you. The two questions. Your third question, Aborigine, make sure you eat her punani as soon as possible. Nne, I'm okay, Chogo there. Bro, the guy Chogo Chogo. And the guy had trouble okay, warm up. The guy said, yeah, but she is in US. Or Papa Gena, Obit, Nambit, US. This you okay? Then on 6th of December, he had punani equal. The guy said, but I will fuck her when she returns to Nigeria next year. Ewu de kade. The guy I go for the best of friends. Papa Gena, I'm not on Nigeria. Papa get that na. Nambem na para. Obonya dey eat my punani eat here. One no dey no no momeya. Gesi chimo. Oh, chigo. No bonya na mboss again. But I will fuck her when she returns from Nigeria next year. Gesi chimo. Even see Juma the same you reply for the guy say, waiting you gain if you know fuck her, bros. Fuck her well. The guy say Abi. Yes, yeah, as she know they hear word. Did you see how you qualify Nora? Now you are one ask question. What I do you say? Why na me where you they bring out for your conversation with the guy? If the guy is madly in love with my pussy or with Nora or my crush, must you bring me in for your conversation with him? Why don't you try your own luck and use your own self and be talking trash instead of using me in your discussion? You are the person calling my name. The guy is not calling my name. Okay, you told her fuck her till she cry for help. Imagine you as a woman telling a man to fuck me until I cry for help. So you do not remember all those things you said. You do not remember all those things you said. And now the guy said that big ass will be pounded so hard that she will cry out. Yes, yeah, yes. So now is a deal between you and him to pound my ass, right? Now, the guy now send you his dick. Say, not amaro. That's no more a big dick. Oh, but another did not know Nayawabu. He came down with a big dick. That is sorry. So now, oh. Okay, now. Let me turn around because I'm charging my phone. So now, I now go on a chat. Guys, remember this video now grown all the chat I can now go here. I know that the chat is scattered, they be posted here. So many of you will not understand the chat, but I have it here. I'm reading the chat for you guys. So now, Odiyechi, the same you say na mwa bon mother, as I know they hear word. The same you say that the guy go and fuck her till she cry for help. The same you say the same guy fuck me well. The same you say that the guy waiting you gain if you know fuck Nora. The same you say make sure he eats my punani. The same you won't yechi bara the guy see how is your duru lady? The same you won't yechi have you met with her finally? So now, why are you telling people that you not set up a certain? Why are you telling people you have set up a certain? You check for the chat again. Obrogi buzo bude di choku. Obrogi send ya. Or no brogi ni yana abana baziminde. to buy you all the gym and all. And yet, let me ask you this question. As a woman, I am. Why should I push another woman, another man, to go and have sex with you and Yechi? And why are ya eat your panani? You don't need her. You need easy to the guy. That make sure no matter they are more fun. Can I send somebody to you? Share me go there. You're the person that sent the guy. Because I don't even have anything doing with the guy as of the time he's a crush, like as I said. He made it open to everybody out there in public that he's crushing over my ass. That's the English. He's crushing over my ass. He went inbox and be engineering him what to do. Or what again I'm in America and I'm battered. What again I be friends. Yet, okay, if you want the guy, why don't you use yourself and tell him something without putting my name at the middle of it? Or without calling my name, Duru lady. That Duru, have you met, how is your Duru lady? Why do you put my name there? It's a question to you. Okay, but you deny today, no hook up. All the set up. You are playing along. How are you playing along? Let me ask you. How are you playing along? The guy was the person avoiding you on this whole chat. But the guy sent this big picture. Can you hear me? Get you don't like seeing such. But what would I get back? Now the dick I can use wrong, not an amount of dick here, believe. Guess ya, really why? Give us because they say don't like the guy saying why? You see, I don't like seeing such. Yeah, saying you hate big dick. Guess ya not really, madam. This conversation, guess ya not really. Before the Kojirama. Game of Bukolesia Gaga where I'm again. Menor. That way, Jesus get the use for the north. Nanora Amaro, Nanora the America. Guinea Anabu in Nigeria. Obio Regina Bioka, Anambra. So, Kazamuna, you did him, Muna Genabo, Kazonia Pessi use that deacon. Take on Nigeria. Go with it. Gima be Noka. Namua be America. Muna Gonye, Buzonia use that deacon for. Gile Mania. Shina mwa sende rege. I plan it this ishari gemo. Tonda na wana na nyechi mwa do nyechi tonda ba wadi mpura for dia. I claim ga no sense ni na claim. The to get chora amu abawa inside na inbox ya. Kam na agoro the chat go onyu shina de ekwezoku. I've been seeing your nonsense comments. Agara mo weekend. I work on the weekend. I brought money na Facebook around Tiari. Every year that day. I'm not sure if you that day. Every post on that meaning post, if I don't answer higher, no respond. If I don't respond, now call you. You said you are playing along. How are you playing along? But you are the person calling my punani here. You are the same person asking the guy to fuck me very, very well. You are the person giving me an idea as such. Now go you again, menor am often. How you playing along? Or the same you say not really. Or say do you hate big dick? Okay, or you cause you mortgage you where I want not right. I'm not a man with a big arm. If she's there, gina shall or jog me like the big dick, guess you are not really. Or say you so what? Yes, I don't like that at all. Or say go okay, dear. I know here. Then the next day, or say hi, you say hello. Give me a beautiful conversation. Give me a deny. Give me a video the conversation. Give me another door. Say hi. Give say hey. Give me because I say hey. Say good morning. Yeah, say good morning dear. You can't imagine a February. Yeah, say how far. Give say udo. The same use you do. The same use what you too spoil. If that you go back to the last conversation on me. Are you not stupid? You are the person looking for the dick, madam. You are the person looking for the dick. You say you too spoil. Yeah, say now wow. Yes, yeah, so. The boy has said, come and get some. Come and get some good fork, sis. Because you see that you too spoil. Yeah, let me get say, come and get some good fork, sis. Get your thanks, bros. Onyara, in a where your bros. Or I say good fork. But don't give you too spoil. Why did you start another conversation about that? The last conversation about big dick. Or that go now continue now that chat. Okay now. Good yana be megidekwe the same you give me megidekwe this nonsense. E gwakwa ye bibi, ye won kwakwa ge bo. Then on February 18 or say I have finally met Nora Do. Finally. Yes, yeah. Okay, hope you fuck him. You started again. Hope you fuck him. Yeah, I said yes. You didn't get a reply as on Oji. I said yes. Fucked her real good. But the babe pussy they very sweet. Get here Jesus. So she allowed you. That's what you reply. So she allowed you. Yeah, I said yes, so sweet. Yes, your child. Yeah, I said yes, of course. We fucked the whole week. Yes, yeah, after her shakara. Imagine you. Onyeki, he degacha here. Obro, a kind of bringing another woman down. Trying to mock another woman. Trying to just, even if for opportunity, she said to the man, call me and me, Guadia, or Gada May. Onyeki, what have I done to you? What did I do to you? To be using my name to be chatting all this chatting? Are you simply jealous because the guy was out there crushing over my ass? That's what brought you inside the inbox and you started talking. Now you twisted it around as if it's a setup. You are the person chatting all this. All this you're fucking, Mary. He got back to me. He called me. I was in Facebook. He contacted me. After you finally tell Hannah and me to go. From the day over I know me to go, this guy contacted him and started telling me what you are telling him to do to me. And I told him that I am no longer on Facebook. Follow you up. That's what I use. That's what I use. I said, please follow her up with that chat. Make sure you get her phone number. Onyinyechi, he followed you up and be playing along with you and get your phone number. That was when he let me know what is going on. You already talk about me, talk about my pussy, tell him how to fuck me and all the rest. Bitch, that one he came back to you. He came back to you, telling you, what is it? Get to that place. Hold on. In case area, come and get a good fork. After Kigwachara, that one. The next one on the 18th, because that was on the 18th. Yes, on the 18th, I'm only up a phone. On the 18th, Opu in a phone. I said, Mama, I'm not here. Marcia, are you serious? That's when I said, I know that's Onyinyechi, but I don't know that she will be saying all these things behind my back or my inbox with you like this. I doubted this guy till I saw the screenshot. I was shocked. That was when I used that word, follow you up with this chat. Yes. How could you tell a man to go and eat my punani? How could you tell a man to go and fuck me so well? Onyinyechi, the same you tell this guy this. And that was what I got and I read it. I was mad on you. I told the guy to follow you up with that chat and get your phone number. That was when I single you out and I keep it to myself. I've been watching you closely since that day. I am not on Facebook, motherfucker. Even you requested when Onyinyechi, this man, in fact, hold on, let me end this live small. I will do another one.